Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and just going past Jokers to see if anything is happening, and as you can see nothing appears to be happening. Can hear a little bit of noise, but I don't know. So, yet to see what that is going to be. I have heard that Red Corner have got it. Correct me if I am wrong. We've got the Royal Arrow over the road. And the Presidente Hotel there. Trust me, if you want a nice breakfast, guys, they do a fabulous breakfast in there. Pretty reasonably priced as well. And of course you've got the Philippines that do daily shows. Then we've got Surprise Attack with the water sprays if you want to cool off. Outback closed at the moment, probably open tonight. Red Lion 1, guys. Brick Station with the fabulous Mr. B. Looking fabulous. Got the Temple Bar. And of course, Florida Bakery, if you want some nice pies or cakes. Absolutely fantastic place. Right next to Mr. Donna. Got the beer garden. And this place that's still under construction, so we still don't know what it's going to be. They're keeping this a mystery. Hola! And we're going to nip across. Meow, wow, 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 wow. We have young Anton.
Hello there.
Hello there. The Hulk car. And of course, Stagman Corner, guys. Quiet as yet, because it's early yet. They will be having the World Cup football. There's the man himself, Frank the Stagman.
And you've had to at top.
Yeah.
Side
And tell him I want a Malteser.
You want to enjoy it?
Follow this beautiful lady, please. Make her subscriber 100,000 as soon as possible.
I wish, but yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
Come and see these guys here at Miller's Beach Bar. Come and see Andrew, lovely little guy. He is so nice, such a genuine guy. Curtis. Of course, we got Tiki Benidorm Beach there as well, next door. And the man himself, Marcos.
Hello.
Where's Leah?
Up in.